a shrunken head, you know?
If I look like him, I think I'd kill myself.
Why do you hang out with him so much, Jack?
Yeah, I don't know. Tushman asked me to be his welcome buddy, and now he just follows me around everywhere.
Are you okay, Augie?
Yeah.
Sure, because you're acting really weird.
I'm okay, Jack, okay?
Hey, what's wrong?
Go away.
Hey, Summer? Hey, you okay?
Do you know why Augie stopped liking me?
You should ask him.
I have, but ever since Halloween, he just won't talk to me.
Ghostface.
Wait, what?
That's all I can tell you.
If I look like him, I think I'd kill myself.